Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to color this cube. First of all, click on this cube if you are in object mode. Then click on this icon, material properties. Before I go into this, I'm going to click on viewport shading, material preview. I also can do this to viewport shading. This is with the lighting, like this. As you can see, behind the light there's shadow, and here's some light because of this thing. But I want to focus on this, just on the color or the texture, material, that kind of stuff. So I'm going to wait, I have to click on this. Yes, now the cube is selected and I'm in the material properties. I can change this color to, for example, cyan or light blue in this case. And yes, that's how you color a cube. But if you want like one side on other color, I will go to edit mode by pressing tab, or you can go from here and press this. I'm going to click on 3. That means it will go to select mode face instead of vertex. Again, vertex is a point, an edge is a line, and face is this. I don't know how to explain this one. So I selected a face. I'm going to click on this. I will press new. Then I will select another color, for example red. And then I will click on assign. This is really important. Yes, now you have a cube with 2 colors. The reason why I made 2, I mean this was already here, this first material. The second one is by pressing this. So to be honest, I'm still new to this program, so it's a bit hard to explain what's going on, but this is just the basics. And I will go to here, and as you can see, this is with shading. If you want something more interesting, I will select another face. I will go back to normal material preview, not this, but this. I will make another material new. I will change this to maybe dark blue, assign. I can press this. You can use images also as well. I haven't tried this, but I saw a YouTube video about this. this might be interesting, like using PNGs, JPEGs, that kind of stuff. But for now I will keep it simple. Like for example, I can do this, metallic, diffuse, let's see, oh, I think I pressed this. Yeah, you can try a lot of things with this. VRM material, ignore this. This for something else. This is an extension or an add-on, so ignore this. It's probably something for yeah, I won't spoil it. Okay, I think this is enough. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, so this is how you color a cube. Bye bye. Okay.